Hey everybody, welcome to another day of 31 Days of Halloween here on my channel. I hope you guys are loving the series so far. I am having Sorry, I thought I had lipstick in my teeth. That's a no-go. I'm having way too much fun making this series. Freaking love it. It's just so much fun. It is so much freaking fun. So, if you're ready for this fun installment, which is Ursula, but not a gray octopus. It's very Ursula-y vibes. I changed a few things because I haven't actually watched Little Mermaid here in a minute, but I do remember that all Disney villains really. It's so weird. Why do Disney villains always have like a full face, like fully beat face, and then the princesses are like nothing? Stupid. Anyway, this is my version of Ursula from The Little Mermaid, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please give this video a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I am doing another giveaway at 200 subscribers, but if we hit the 200 mark in October at any point, the giveaway will not start until November. I'll make a video about it. It's the whole damn thing. But I hope you guys freaking love this look. I would low-key, minus the eyebrows and the fake mole, I would low-key probably wear this out. I really like the look. You of course can spice it up however you want. You can spray your hair white. You can do you boo boo, but I am gonna stop rambling. Let's get into the video, guys. So we're going to start off by taking a light purple eyeshadow on any eyeshadow brush and applying this to our lid and starting to wing it out super dramatically. That doesn't sound right, but I know it is. Now I'm taking a deeper, more royal purple and applying that to my crease and following my wing. I do start to even out my wings to where there's not that little dip in it and it's just straight outward. If that makes any type of sense whatsoever. Probably not. And it just wasn't enough purple and glam for me, so now I'm taking a super dark glittery purple and stamping that on top of my wing and into my crease. You can be super messy with your wing, by the way. Don't worry about it being all crazy. Now I'm taking a light shimmery purple eyeshadow and applying that to my lid to create a cut crease look. And then I start to add more and more silver mixed in with the purple, and here in just a second I give up and just go in with straight silver eyeshadow on my finger. Beautiful. Now I'm taking a small concealer brush and some concealer just to clean up my wings slightly. This is why it doesn't matter if we're messy or not. Concealer to save the day. And now we're going to start our face. I'm applying a pore blurring primer. And we're just going to go in with our regular foundation and not do anything super fancy with this other than being super careful around our eyes as to not mess up the wings that we have just applied. I'm using a pointed beauty sponge. It's from Wet n Wild. The point really helps me to not mess up the wing, as you can see. Now I'm going to do a little bit of cream contouring because Disney villains are always super like made up and perfect looking. I mean, probably not Ursula. She's probably like the funkiest villain ever when they're like all glammed out, but still she's very glam, so we're going to contour pretty heavy-handed. And once we have that on, we're going to put on some concealer. I'm taking a regular skin tone concealer and then adding white to the spots I want to highlight and just a little bit under my eye. Let's blend all this out. And then, because I hate myself, I'm going to bake underneath my eyes. I'm not a big fan of baking because I have drier skin and it just dries me out even more, but something told me to do it today and I don't know why. I'm also applying some loose powder to the spots where I put concealer, and I like super carve out my contour. beautiful and clean it up because I'm messy. Point proven. While our bake is setting in, I'm just taking a bronzer and bronzing up my face in the exact same places I contoured. We just want to look super, super sculpted today. Let's dust off all of this baking and then we'll move on to the next step. Taking a purple toned blush, this is also just from Wet n Wild. I'm focusing more on the purple side of the ombre blush and applying it pretty heavy handed to my cheeks. And to highlight, I'm going in with a purple mixed with a white silvery highlight shade from Anastasia, and also going in super, super heavy handed. But look at this glow. Ready? Boom. Look at that. Look at that. Would you just look at it? Once we're done with all that, we're going to move on to our eyebrows, which I attempted to cover up with glue, and I think my glue stick is defective. So I'm just drawing in my regular eyebrows using a black eyeliner pencil, and I create a super, super pointed arch. You'll see me adding to it more and more, and I'm keeping in my entire eyebrow situation right now so you can see that I added super, super, super dramatic high points onto them. Oh, it gets more dramatic. You just hold on. Also, if you hear random clicking in the background, it's because James is playing his game. So, sorry. Don't mind me. Here I go, deciding that I'm not evil looking enough, so we're adding some more severe arching points to our eyebrows. Lovely. Look at that. Now we just look perplexed all the time. Taking a mix of royal blue and royal purple eyeshadows and mixing them together. I'm super smoking out my bottom lashes way lower than I would normally do, and kind of flaring it up into my wing a little bit for blending purposes. Tightline your eyes with any black eyeliner. I'm using the exact same one I used to do my eyebrows, making the scariest face possible. And now we're going to apply a super dramatic winged eyeliner. I'm doing it very thick and very, very pointed and long. Taking a shimmery, shimmery white eyeshadow, I'm doing some highlighting on my eyes in the inner corners and under my eyebrows. Once you're done with that, we're going to apply some false lashes and mascara, and we'll be right back. Perfect. Super evil looking. Kinda. Not really. For our lips today, I'm going to take a super dark red. You can use a bright red, but I tend to stay away from the brighter reds and go for a more burgundy lip. So apply that, and I'm starting out normal, and then I decide to overline my lips quite a bit to make them look more full and voluptuous. Then to make a perfect Ursula makeup look, we're going to apply a fake beauty mark onto our top lip. I'm using the exact same liner for my eyebrows and my eyeliner. Then I'm taking a super small detailing brush in any contour shade and applying it under my bottom lip to make them look more full. And watch, I can't be serious for more than 3 seconds. I am so sorry. Did we like it? Huh? Did we love it? Are we eating it up? I freaking love it. One, this lip color is pretty much everything I need in my life. This is the Rimmel Stay Satin lip in Have a Cow. This is super, super pretty. Yeah. I love how this look came out. I hope you guys do too. Remember, if you're excited for 31 Days of Halloween here on my channel, to give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of my other Halloween looks. And of course, once we hit November again, we'll be back to just regular makeup. But it's fine. We're gonna act like Halloween is all year long. So, I totally forgot to mention, we got a new sign. It's so stupid. Anyway, I'm gonna get off of here and stop rambling, but I hope you guys really like the look, and I will see you all tomorrow.